Thanks to the exceptional standard of hospitality established by its owner, Table 22 continues to serve as a second home for countless patrons. Table 22's philosophy is simple: treat guests like family, serve great food, and always exceed expectations. What began as a restaurant became a place to not only enjoy an excellent meal, but also catch up with old friends, meet new ones, close business deals, and celebrate family milestones. At Table 22, we believe that when you start with the best ingredients available, you don't need to rely on overly elaborate recipes or culinary fads. That's why Table 22's menu features honest, satisfying dishes that reflect the best of our Haitian and Caribbean heritage, including prime griot, conch, fried chicken, turkey tasso, as well as rice and beans. Table 22 is conveniently located at 22 North Main Street in Brockton, Massachusetts. Telephone 508-427-6686. Come taste great food and be part of an evolving tradition.